Hello to everybody watching this video. This is my 1993 Dodge D350 with the Cummins 5-speed manual transmission. My intent with the video is just to give you a better idea what it looks like. It is currently for sale. Should have some information below. But I'm just gonna go around the truck here, give you a good visual, maybe point out a couple details, a couple things. I've owned it for about 1.5 years. I did the body work and did the paint work about 1 year ago. I got done with it. Had a ton of fun. Ton of frustration as well. Color on it is velvet red, found on current Dodge trucks. But she really sparkles in the sunlight. I should have a list of everything that's new on it below, so I don't have to list everything that's new. Those are 5-inch stacks. I believe the tips there are Dynaflex, the elbows are Grand Rock, and the Y pipe there is Dynaflex as well. Not sure what those brackets are, but we hid all of the seams underneath those brackets, so it looks like one continuous unit. Truck used to have a camper on it, so those holes were in the bed, the tie-down holes were a little bit goobered up. I did the body work on it, made it look like it's how it's supposed to. Pretty stinking flawless, which I would expect for a pretty fresh paint job. Got new tires on there. Pretty clean under there. Let's see if we can get something. Check out underneath, pretty clean. The frame was not this black when I started, that is undercoating, but it was in very good condition. Didn't have all the undercoating or the factory paint on it, but it was in good, solid condition. There's the rockers. That textury, peely stuff is chip guard. When you don't have mud flaps there, it's a good idea to have chip guard. Same with on the fender flare there, dually fender flares. Let's take a look. Why don't we, on the other side, get down and check that out as well. new cab mounts. They were a little squeaky when I bought the truck. Sorry about the shake. That is how the exhaust gets into the bed. We had to move this bracket right there forward a little bit to be able to do that, but say it turned out pretty nice. This should be 3" up to the 5". Same thing, chip guard on this side, solid rockers. There's all the original spot welds, just like on the other side. They were not replaced. Chip guard there. There's the rest of the bed. There's that shot. Oh, and those red dots are lights. They light up the stacks at night. It looks pretty cool. Get this towel out of the way here. Custom upholstery done. Dash used to be gray. I painted it black with a flat black, or a satin black, I would say, maybe even semi-gloss black, that is meant to go on the exterior of vehicles as well. It can go anywhere. It's trim paint, so it is UV resistant. I've not had a problem so far. Seats are in great condition. Back glass is perfect. Headliner was redone. No problems there. Let's go check out the other side of the truck here. Let's take a look at the roof here. All of the original red, bright red, was stripped off. I would say, boy, probably close to 90%, 95% of the original red paint was stripped off, coated with epoxy primer. And this side looks the same way in the sun. Absolutely. I just want you to get a good picture of what it looks like in the shade and in the sun. It looks exactly the same as the other side. Each side are identical. I guess we never took a shot in the back here. I think it's about time to check under the hood. We'll go do that in a minute. Sorry about the wind noise. My apologies. It is a beautiful day here. Those are the switches for the exhaust brake. This is, I believe, let's see if those lights turn on. Yeah, see, lights are turned on there. That's the middle one. And this one's auxiliary power for towing a trailer. Cleaned up the engine bay quite a bit. Painted it all black on the inside there. As far as I know, nothing is done with the motor. There was a rat's nest wiring harness in here, but I took all that out. Radiator was gone through by a professional, not by me. And there's the other place where you can tell it was bright red beforehand, but I wanted to keep that sticker. And I believe this does, yes, it does have the original R12 in it. Maybe not the original, but the guy that I bought it from charged it up, and it is R12 in there. There's exhaust brake back there. Let's see if we can close this hood and fire it up for you.